Hello everybody, welcome back to another exciting session with me. So in today's class, we are going to learn about a very important concept for kids. Can you guess what's that by looking at the screen behind me? Yes, you are right. We are going to learn about time now. And for those students who are coming to my channel for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And parents who are interested in joining your kids to our online preschool, we have given the details in the description box below, so you can go back and check to get in touch with us. So children, before we start learning about the time, it is important to understand that there are two types of clocks. One is called the digital clock and the other one is analog clock. In the digital clock, we can directly see the numbers to read the time, whereas in analog clock we have numbers just like this. So today we are going to learn about reading the time in analog clock. This is an analog clock. On the analog clock we have numbers running from 1 to 12. And can you see these two pointers on the clock, children? These are called hands. We can see a small hand and a big hand. The small hand is called hours hand and the big hand is called minutes hand. First, let's learn the easier version of analog clock. So here you see the easier version of analog clock with only short hand. This is called the hours hand. Hours hand. The small hand on the analog clock is called the hours hand. Now, first it is important to know the hour on the time. So children, now can you tell me where is the hours hand? It is pointing to number 3. So it's 3 o'clock. Now, let's go to another example. Can you now tell me where is the hours hand pointing to? 6. That means it's 6 o'clock. Imagine if the hours hand is in between two numbers just like this. What do you think should be the time? Is that 6 o'clock? Yes, you are right. This is 6 o'clock. When the hours hand is in between the two numbers, it's always the first digit. It's 6 o'clock. Until the hours hand moves on to the number 7, it's 6 o'clock. Let's move on to the next example now. Can you tell me what is the hour now? Very good. It's 11 o'clock because it is in between both 11 and 12. Unless the hours pointer goes on to the number exactly, it will be 11 o'clock only. So children, now you're very clear about the hours hand. What if you have to go to anywhere at a specific time? At this point of time, we need minutes hand. So to learn a minutes hand, let's move on to our analog clock. Here we can see an hours hand and a minute hand. You see the hours hand is always the smaller one, whereas the minute hand is a bigger one. Alright children, remember, small hours hand, big minute hand. So let's learn the time now. You see the numbers from 1 to 12 on the numbers. These are the hours. Hours. The hours are given on the clock, whereas the minutes are not given. Can you see the small lines here around the clock behind the numbers? Those are the numbers given for the minute hand. Let's see how much time it takes for us to go from 12 to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it takes 5 minutes to go for a minute's hand from one place to another. Write the notation 5 here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 0. This is the notation for the minutes hand. So till the time you learn the clock, it is important for parents to write it this way for them to understand the minutes time. So inside the clock, you have the hours hand, and outside the clock these lines represent the minutes time. Okay children? So now let's try and see, look at this example. First we have to always look at the hours hand. Where is the hours hand pointing to? In between the number 3 and 4. So we always should take the number which is before. So it's 3 o'clock. And where is the minutes hand pointing to? Towards number 30. So the time is 3:30. Let's look on to the next example. Can you tell me the time now children? Try and tell me the time now. It's in between the number 2 and 3. So the hour is 2. And the minutes hand is pointing to number 40. So it's 2 hours and 40 minutes. You have to say 2 hours 40 minutes. Okay children? So parents, till the time they learn this clock, it is important for you to give the notation of minutes just like this for them to understand quickly. This is how you have to teach clock to the young ones. So children, that's all for today's class. I hope you have really enjoyed learning the time along with Risha ma'am today. So for those who are coming to my channel for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And we also have online preschool classes for preschoolers. I know that most of the students are going to schools now, so you can just take these classes as an extra tuition for your child after school. So for you to get in touch with me, we have given the details in the description box below. I'll see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.